Did you know that the average bottle of premium vanilla extract costs over $20, yet you can create a superior version for pennies? Today, we reveal exactly how to make this pantry staple using just 2 ingredients and 5 minutes of active work. Let's start with the basics. Homemade vanilla extract is essentially a simple infusion process where alcohol extracts flavor compounds from the beans. By purchasing affordable vanilla beans directly from suppliers rather than prepackaged bottles, you gain complete control over the quality and cost of your final product. Here is a surprising economic detail. When comparing bulk pricing, larger vanilla beans are often the most affordable option because they contain more seeds per unit. This means you actually need fewer large beans to fill your jar compared to using smaller varieties, significantly reducing your raw material costs. The science behind the extraction relies on the solvent power of high-proof alcohol, typically vodka or grain alcohol. This liquid penetrates the bean's cellular structure, dissolving vanillin and other aromatic compounds that water simply cannot extract effectively on its own. For those with advanced kitchen equipment, you can even accelerate this natural infusion by using a pressure cooker. This method seals the jars and applies heat to intensify the flavor extraction process much faster than waiting for room temperature contact alone. Once you have finished your cooking or mixing process, patience is key. You must wait about 1 week for the flavors to fully meld and intensify before using the extract. This waiting period transforms a mixture of beans and alcohol into a rich, high-quality pantry staple. By the end of this week-long process, you will have created an abundance of high-quality vanilla extract that rivals store-bought brands, proving that homemade is not only extract flavors possible, but significantly more affordable and thoughtful. So there you have it. With just 2 ingredients and a little patience, you can slash your grocery bill while getting better flavor. What is your favorite homemade pantry hack? Tell us in the comments below.